disenfranchised during SIR?
Our aim is not to disenfranchise. We are simply verifying one's citizenship, age, and you are not disqualified on any grounds prescribed by law. That's it. And for verification, a very simple method has been adopted, 2002 SIR, which we are assuming that those who are there are citizens. Then all subsequently those people becoming major, if they have got their parents in that list, they don't have to file any document, which is almost 76 to 80% of people don't have to file documents. Now, those who are left behind, they have to produce one of the 11 documents. And now we are in that stage of literacy, it's not a question of considering those people who are 60 years, 50 years and are therefore illiterate. So modern times, education up to class 10 is mandatory. So given all these things and 11 documents, not one Aadhaar card was used in Bihar. And now in Bengal, what is happening is all kinds of documents are being manufactured. And in 2 districts, 24 South Pargana, Malda, majority.
So as you are, sir, highlighting, maintain the neutrality and public confidence in such a sensitive exercise.
So public, if no public is challenging, where is the public challenging? It is TMC and TMC MPs, or not single voter has come forward to say anything. Some people have complained about this mismatch, etc. So that is being taken care of. Now tell me one thing, supposing there is a mismatch in the name, should we not correct it? Or should we leave it? And supposing that person is stopped at the time of polling, in the polling booth, and after 5 o'clock he has no remedy, no appeal, he's gone. So why not correct it now? It is somebody is assuming that if we have issued 1 crore notice, so we are going to definitely delete them. If there are spelling mistakes, if the name of husband they are saying that people got married, so they have to change their names. So should it not be recorded that instead of Pandey now I have become Devedi, so it should be entered as Devedi? It's a simple thing, but naturally for election purposes, they have to project that something extraordinary is happening. And it's a cooperative exercise. State government employees are doing it. Every employee knows that after 2 months they will go back to work in the state. Can you imagine that they will be doing bungling at the instance of, we don't have our own staff. And everything is happening in open gaze. All the lists are being given to the political parties. It is being put in the panchayat and everything in the website.
So you term this as a political stunt.
So I will call it that this is all politicking, political narrative setting. They are entitled to play their own game in their own ways. I will not comment on that.
You also mentioned that it is not election commission but WhatsApp commission.
So you tell me, is Supreme Court not admitting petitions digitally in the court? Are lawyers not arguing digitally in the court? Is there a single complaint that by WhatsApp any direction has been issued which is contrary to the SIR? So if somebody in the field has some kind of a problem, if he calls the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal and he responds, that's the quick method. We have a tight time schedule. Elections must take place before 9th May. So if there is video conferencing and this, what objection can be taken to this WhatsApp commission? I'm sure that everybody is well aware with WhatsApp and etc. Digital conferences. We are arguing cases every day in Supreme Court.
We are left with very less time as the election is supposed to happen very soon. So how early this can be wind up?
See, almost more than 1 crore hearings have already been done. We have still time to complete the hearings. 14th is the date for publishing the electoral roll. Election is in May. Assembly is to be constituted in May. So even if it starts in April or the last week of March, elections can be done. So we have still a buffer period. Supposing in the worst case scenario, some thousands are still left. The court is monitoring, the commission is monitoring. Is commission incompetent? So many times time has been extended. We can extend it instead of 14th, 20th. What is the grade? I mean, I don't understand this. Time is short, time is short. If it is short, we will extend it.